You got a house big? Thanks. Wait, what? That's exactly how you would sound if you accidentally flipped the rules for adjectives into reo Māori, but let me explain how to get it right. In te reo Māori, describing words and adjectives like big or small or tall or new come after the noun, not before them. And that's different from te reo Pākehā from English. Here are a few examples to help illustrate what I'm talking about. Whare nui means big house. Whare, house. Nui, big. Whare nui, big house. Rākau roa means long stick. The word rākau comes first, stick. And the word roa comes afterwards, long. And no, I'm not talking about that kind of rākau. Get your mind out of the gutter. You wish your rākau was roa. Puka puka hou. This means new book. The word puka puka comes first, book, followed by hou, which means new. Puka puka hou. New book. So if you accidentally say nui whare instead of whare nui, you're actually saying house big, and you'll still get your point across, but just sounds a little bit funny, that's all. So remember, the noun comes first, followed by the adjective, the describing word. Whare nui, big house. Rākau roa, long stick. Puka puka hou, new book. Now go and describe something, but keep it clean, e hoama.